Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to child-proof or child-lock your phone on Android. So the reason why you would do this is so that you can make it so your child isn't going in and out of apps, they aren't messing with your settings, you just have them on just Kids YouTube, or YouTube Kids, whatever they call it, as well as maybe like Nickelodeon, just an app that you want them to be in, but nothing else. So here we go. First thing that you're going to do, and again this is on Android, this is not Mac or iOS. You can go into Settings, then from Settings you're going to go to Security, and from Security you're going to scroll down to Screen Pinning. Okay, all you have to do is turn it on, and then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the app that you want. So here we're going to go with Nick Jr. And you're going to open Overview. Overview is the square button that flicks it out so you have the multi-tabs, okay, so all this kind of stuff. Now you're going to flick it to right here. When you flick it up, that's going to show this little pin. When you pin that, now your screen is going to be, well, not just the screen, but the actual app will be pinned. So they can go in and all around the app, whether again that be Nick Jr. or YouTube Kids. They can mess around as much as they want in it, but they're not going to be leaving it and messing up your settings or anything. They cannot get out unless they know how to get out, and there's no way. You just don't teach them how to get out, they're not going to figure it out. Alright, so now that you're in this, they can mess around all they want. They can push the back button. They cannot get out. You might be able to turn the power off. Yep, so they can turn the power off, but they literally can't do anything else. And here, just turning the power back on brought the app right back on again. This works great. Like my kid is 1 year old. He can mess around here all he wants, and he will not be able to mess around with my settings or anything else. Now, to get out, you're going to hold the back button. I don't know if you can see that on here. The back button and the overview button at the same time. Try it again here. And then that unlocks it. So now you're able to unlock your phone. Alright, so now it's just normal. So I showed you how to get in and how to get out. Again, settings, security, screen pinning. You got your screen pinning on. So then you're going to open up your app. From the app, you're going to go to Overview, flick it up. You got your pin down right there. Click on that. That pins it. Then to get out, you're going to hold the back button and the Overview button at the same time. And that will get you out.